What I'd like... Calm down.
It's okay, I'm sorry.
He apologized.
It's my fault.
He apologized.
Yeah, I know.
And you know what? That didn't upset me. But the bitch-ass hoe
Sorry.
that told me to calm down? What I'd like... Calm down.
Residents of Carlton Mountain in Claremont, St Ann, stand in disbelief as they try to come to terms with the tragic end to a dispute reportedly over garbage. 19-year-old Navargia Gray is dead, while a man and a woman are nursing gunshot wounds after they were allegedly attacked by the neighbor's son. It is reported that a dog which frequents both yards pulled the garbage from the victim's home to underneath the kitchen window of the suspect's parents. An argument erupted, after which the alleged shooter, Leroy Martin, left and later returned with a firearm. CVM Live spoke to the mother of the alleged shooter. She says she saw when her son attacked the victims.
I said to him, Leroy, don't pay those people any mind, because you know, say, so them stay, they love war, so don't pay them any mind. And I tell you, they have a dirty word. And Leroy said, okay, Mama, that's all right. And he turned through the gate. When he got through the gate, no, I think he was going up at his house. I mean, go see when he fly through for them gate, because he told the gate almost in one. And he got through the gate. And we see when he run up on the veranda. And then afterward, we hear they shot them.
She details how her son then escaped after allegedly pulling the trigger.
You see when he jump from me, start ball same time, and you see when he jump over the wall. You see when he jump over the wall, so then say he must shoot one of the girls.
Leroy Martin is now on the run, and Deputy Superintendent of Police Linton Bailey of the St Anne's Bay Police is urging Martin to turn himself in.
You might have physical force, but not of this magnitude where a gun would be used to attack someone. It is a bit frightening to the community, and at this time we are providing counseling.
Christine Forbes for CVM Live.